legally and permanently get out of their timeshare and stop the bleeding. We've earned an A+ rating with the BBB with over 900 five-star testimonials. Our clients love to share that Lone Star Transfer is the only company they would trust. Most importantly, we guarantee the release of all liability to your timeshare in writing and in a specific time frame. Lone Star Transfer is a family-owned company that has earned our reputation from delivering first-class customer service. Call us today to receive a free consultation at 844-284-4864. That's 844-284-4864 or online at lonestartransfer.com.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Buying a home? Rocket Mortgage will cover 1% of your rate for the first year at no cost to you with Inflation Buster. That's more road trips, more front row seats. Plus, if rates drop within 3 years of your home purchase, you'll get exclusive savings when you refinance with Rate Drop Advantage. Save when you buy today and refinance tomorrow. Call 833-7-ROCKET today or visit inflationbuster.com to start saving.
For fees covered, read date requirements and other terms and conditions, visit inflationbuster.com or call 1-833-7-ROCKET. Equal housing lender license in all 50 states. NMLSConsumerAccess.org, number 3030.
West Coast Men's Health has helped thousands of men overcome erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease using acoustic wave therapy. No pills and no shots. But it's not our success stories that separate us from the other clinics. It's how we interact with our patients. From your first call, our medical staff will take the time to answer your questions, whether it's about your ED, how our treatment works, or even about the cost. Our goal is to inform and educate you so you're comfortable when you come in for your first visit. And right now, we're offering a free treatment for just coming in. That's right, you can try this treatment at no cost to make sure it's right for you. So if you're tired of frustrating nights, you're ready to get off Viagra and put an end to your ED or Peyronie's disease, then give West Coast Men's Health a call today.
With clinics in San Mateo and Sacramento, call 650-585-8909. That's 650-585-8909. Online at westcoastmenshealth.com. HSA cards welcome and financing available.
Hi, Doug Andrew here. 4 questions. Did you or someone you know lose money in the market in 2008? Do you think a crash like that will happen again? Do you want to have what happened to your money last time happen again? What are you doing differently to prevent that? If your retirement savings are invested in the market, reposition that money and protect it from losses sooner than later. Learn how to make money safely with little to no downside risk. Join us for one of 5 Retire by Design workshops. We're coming to teach these free workshops in Morgan Hill, Palo Alto, Dublin, Alamo, and Sacramento, Wednesday through Friday, November 9th through 11th. Call now to register and get details. 1-888-73-RADIO. That's 1-888-73-RADIO, which is 1-888-737-2346. 1-888-737-2346.
Universal Studios Hollywood is where the holidays come together. We've tested it. Festive food with refreshing Coca-Cola. Family, friends, and father-in-law. Dazzling lights cranked up to maximum merriment. The Grinch and his dog Max stealing your tree. All the science adds up. It's the awesomest celebration of the season. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/22. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coke offer.
Have you been waiting for just the right job? Then welcome to the end of your search. Amazon has seasonal warehouse jobs in your area, and now is a great time to apply. You can start getting paid right away and work close to home. Applying is easy. You don't even need an interview. So what are you waiting for? Come join the team and get a great seasonal job offer today. Visit Amazon.com/hiring. Amazon is an equal opportunity employer.
Jake from State Farm here to answer your what ifs.
Hi, what if a moose rims my car?
File a claim on the app. At State Farm, we're there for your what ifs. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
This is the sound of a man who built 2 restaurants, a family, and a legacy. A man who never failed to help others while his heart was failing him. A man who underwent innovative surgery to make an incredible recovery. After After being misdiagnosed, a life-saving search led him to UC Davis Health. This open enrollment, choose the care that changes your story. Visit choosehealth.ucdavis.edu to learn more. UC Davis Health. Discovering healthy.
The Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Any questions? Call 8444 the USA to get the answers. 844-484-3872. The Dan Bongino Show.
Yeah, we need to load the show with some Joan Jett today. I need some Joan Jett. Practice time's over. It's over. Again, out on the field. Everybody out on the field. Out on the field. Oh, I'm in this locker room getting a massage. No. Hamstring massage time is over. Out on the field. Everybody. I want the trainer, the coach. I want the towel boy out on the field. Everybody. Time to start warming up. I'm not. Listen, man. I'm not screwing around. You may think this is funny, but I'm glad it's entertaining. But I'm dead serious. You got a plan for tomorrow? I haven't found a babysitter for my kid. You better find one, right now. I don't mean to sound like an a-hole. I'm not trying. I just can't afford this tomorrow. Listen, we got a country to save. No, we've got a country to actually save. You got all this Democrat hysteria. Oh my gosh, democracy's at stake. They're right. Because of them. They are absolutely correct. We do got a country to save. And screwing around time is over. You got a plan for tomorrow? Do you know where you're voting? If it's a voter ID state, hopefully make sure you have your ID. And folks, that's not enough. Make sure you bring in your friends too. Who needs a ride? Anyone need a ride? I had some wise ass on Facebook and how many people have you brought? You keep telling people to bring 10 people. Have I brought? If you've met me in public in the last month, you know this because I've run into a decent amount of people. I don't get out much, but when I do, a lot of people say hello. Because I like to think I'm an approachable guy, unless I'm on the squat rack or something. Other than that, I'm pretty approachable. I never think I'm like Captain Famous Dude, because that happened to me once when I went up to a guy and he was kind of a jerk. And you know what? Here's the golden rule of having some public notoriety, right? Every person you treat like crap, Mark Levin told me this once, tells 200 people what a jerk you are. That's true. So I'm pretty approachable. I have told every one of them, you vote? No, I like to vote on election day. Okay. That's cool. Whatevs. Not my bag of donuts. Sometimes I like to sink my vote in, but I get it. I see people. I saw a lady in the gym. Woman on the treadmill. I went down to the local gym. I'm sitting there. I'm leaving. Full body workout day. Kind of tired. I see a lady taking a picture, man. I go, no pictures. They may say, wow, you sound like a real jerk. No, I did it for a reason. Let me finish the story. I may be a jerk, but not for the reason you think. I said, come on, you got to turn the treadmill on. I said, come on over, we're going to get in this picture together. Because I wanted to talk to her. And I thought it was weird that she was taking a picture. Because it's just weird. So I said, come on over. Of me, without her in it. So the Hubs was right next to her. I said, Hubs, don't know your name. Take this picture. And I said, lady, I don't know your name either. Are you voting? No, we're voting on election day. I said, it's not good enough. Wrong answer. I said, you got to vote on election day, and you got to bring 10 people. You listen to my show? She says, oh, yeah, the 10, 10, and 10 stuff. Listen, if she's listening, it was you. You know what I'm talking. I said, you got to call 10 people, make 10 Facebook posts between today and tomorrow, Twitter, 10 Facebook posts. Put up the voting location for all your neighbors. Put out the number, the website for the local board of elections in case people are confused. You cannot overdo it. You got a country to save. Listen to me. Your grandparents, my grandparents, they were 18 and 20 years old. They went on pontoon boats and dropped the front and got shot down and killed in cold blood by a bunch of Nazis invading an occupied country. At Omaha Beach, my grandfather was at Utah Beach, where the fighting was a little lighter, but he fought in the Battle of the Bulge there, okay? These guys gave up everything. He named my dad after his battle buddy that died, John. That's my father's name. That's what that generation did. I'm not asking you to do any of that. I'm not asking you to go drop a pontoon boat and get shot by a Nazi in the face. I'm not asking you to do any of that. Thankfully, we're not in that situation yet, knock on wood. I'm asking you to do one thing. I'm asking you to make 10 Facebook, Twitter posts before tomorrow. I don't care if you got to retype and copy the same thing over. The polling location, the number,